Hello viewers, today we have come to Bangalore International Exhibition Center. This is the India's largest COVID center and with lot of beds, say around 10,000 beds and good facilities. So we will go and explore the COVID center.
This beautiful Bangalore International Exhibition Center is around 57 acres of land. Managed by Indian Machine Tool Manufacturer Association and dedicated to late Mr. Nauroji Pirojsha Godrej, a former president of the association, this complex created with only one purpose, to make it a preferred destination for international business exhibitions, trade fairs, congresses, international conferences, seminars and training programs in India. Bangalore International Exhibition Center is now converted into COVID Care Center. Lot of marshals deployed to serve as security to the healthcare workers and patients. Food court has been converted into well-formed ICU for COVID-19 ill patients, and it has robots who deliver the emergency care for the patients. Conference halls are converted to housing facilities, thereby providing logistics to the healthcare professionals deployed here as a workforce. There will 5 total functioning halls and they have the capacity to admit 10,100 patients with good amount of facilities like entertainment area, dining area and new wards with good healthcare facilities. Everything will start to function well by August, and we have our Chief Engineer BBMP Mr. Mohan Krishna with us. Let's see what he feels about the current situation.
ನಾನು ಮೋಹನ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಚೀಫ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ BBMP ನಾನು ಚೀಫ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನೇನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ದೇಶ ಏನು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಎದುರಿಸ್ತೈತೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೈದ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಪಾತ್ರ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಭಾಳ ಹಿಂದಿನಿಂದನೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ವೈದ್ಯರೇ ದೇವೋಭವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ನೀವು ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೇವೆಯೇ ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಟಾಲಿಟಿ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಕಡಿಮೆಯಾಗಿದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಮರ್ಪಣೆಯೇ ಇವತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೋಂಕಿತರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಶ್ರೀರಕ್ಷೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ. ಇದು ಸೇವೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ರಕ್ಷೆಯಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ದೇಶ ಎದುರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಈ ಸಂಕಷ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೋಂಕಿತರಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಆರೈಕೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಿ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮನಸ್ಥೈರ್ಯ ನೀಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು.
With Mr. Mohan Krishna's inspirational speech, we move ahead to see the visual of CCC showing dining halls. Aerial view of CCC shows very well planned and arranged. Huge dining halls for patients to have well planned diet food, thereby patients can enjoy tahar breakfast, lunch, evening snacks and dinner. Entertainment halls shows well arranged sofas with a TV area. Play area consists of indoor games like carom, chess, table tennis, ludo etc. New set of washrooms with good shower facilities are available. Basically, the infected corona patients can enjoy their stay with less fear and have a good quality stress-free life with doctors available to their service all the time.
Hi, good afternoon everybody. This is Vishweshwara and my colleague Bhanu Prakash. We are managing the hygiene facility of BIC. There is a small message to everybody that this is one of the wonderful thing the government which has done. We should be so proud that this BIC is one of the best COVID care centers in India. More than 10,000 beds. Actually, this is not a project, this is a national project. We should be proud that we are associated to this project. And my small wish, and I welcome all the paramedical staff, the housekeeping staff, the nurses staff, the doctor staff to be part of this wonderful COVID care facility. We should be doing our best to the country, and I wish you all the best.
Every concerned department employed for this project are working 24/7 with lots of effort and dedication to serve humanity, thereby providing exceptional atmosphere to the patients and healthcare professionals to fight this COVID-19 infection, thereby fighting the war against corona.
Here with Mr. Kataria, who is the IAS officer appointed here, and he is the person who is heading this mission. So we will hear from him now, and let's hope he will give a bright message to the doctors, nurses as well as the paramedical staff. So please go ahead.
See, in Karnataka, all the asymptomatic positive cases, we want to keep them in the COVID care center for isolation. People who do not have adequate isolation facility at their houses, we don't want that they become carrier and transmit the disease to the other family members and neighbors in their vicinity. So with that purpose, around 20,000 bedded facility we are creating in Bangalore. This facility in exhibition ground we have around 20,000 and another 10,000. Another 10,000 we are getting at different locations of the city. I request all the doctors that is basically from allopathy, from homeopathy, from Ayurveda, Unani, and also the dental surgeons to please come forward and join this mission. It's a noble cause. The entire world, we are fighting a war against corona, so everybody has to come forward and join. So I request the doctors also to come forward, the staff nurses to come forward, the paramedic staff to come forward, the volunteers to come forward, join the hands of the government to fight this war against corona. 85 to 88% people in Karnataka or in India are asymptomatic in nature. They are healthy people. The recovery rate is very good. So there is nothing to worry. There is no fear against corona. We have to have a determined mind and brain to fight against this virus. And jointly, you and we can find a good way to fight war against corona. Thank you.
As healthcare professional, we sincerely thank Mr. Rajendra Kumar Kataria, the main lead person to this project, and his team. Their work will be remembered for years to come, and Team Dental Reach wish them all the very best.
So viewers, we are in with the show today, and it was a nice exposure to Bangalore International Exhibition Center, India's largest COVID care center. So I wish all the best to the doctors. Even I am one of the doctors who are supposed to serve COVID patients. So we welcome all COVID patients, and we will make sure that you go healthy without corona.